go sese. Aina ti Jesu me o. Ose ni se o. Era pa mama me o. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much for stopping back. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. In this channel, I do lifestyle, cooking, vlog, and so many other things. Okay, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love, for the support, for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate every one of you. It's another day, and today I'm going to vlog. It has been a long, like some few days now, a few weeks I've not vlogged, but I'll be posting like a cook with me video, cooking video, but I haven't vlogged. Okay, I think my last vlog was when I went to Mama Sita, when I went out with Mama Sita, yes. But today I'm just going to do a little vlog. Yes, it's afternoon right here. It's just after 2 in the afternoon, okay? And I want to make some, I want to start cooking lunch slash dinner. Maybe if the kids come back from school, they can eat some of it, or maybe they will eat it for dinner anyway. But I just want to cook it down so that there will be something for them if they come back from school. Okay, and I just finished making a video for my other channel. Okay, I just finished making a video. Look, I still have my ring light there. Making a video for my other channel, which is the Share Fitness TV. Guys, please, my people, so you guys don't love me, eh? You guys don't love me. All the time we say, please subscribe to my fitness channel. Subscribe to my fitness channel. You guys are not subscribing. Abba, waiting now. Kilo shele. Kilo day. Go and subscribe, okay? I will leave the link in the description box. Please go and subscribe. We are halfway there, okay? So far I have 4 something subscribers. You guys, I beg, Muna go subscribe now. Look now, go subscribe to Share Fitness TV. I just finished making a Dictor's infused water. Okay, I did infused water. Let me show it to you guys. Look at what I did. Hey, this fridge is, I don't know. Look at it. Infused water. I just finished making a video. Now I'm cooking beans. My beans is in the stove right now. Let me show you. It's cooking. This is my beans. But the reason why I'm cooking beans, I have a lot of plantain that they're almost getting bad. I just, okay, I have beans. Why not make beans with Dodo? After I make the beans, I'm going to fry the plantain before they get bad, okay? Okay, but why not? Let me blend my pepper, okay? I have tomatoes and onions and a pepper that I want to blend. Let me blend it together. Okay, guys, let me quickly blend my pepper. Let me blend the pepper I will be using for the beans, okay? Oh, the water is so cold. Let me pause this TV. My laptop. I don't want copyright to. Okay. I just went to the laptop. I'm watching Lady DS TV. She's premiering right now. I just want to lower it so that I don't know if the music. Happy New Month to you all. Happy New Month. Happy February. Today is Friday anyway. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, it's not going to be on Friday. But today, I'm making this video on Friday, February the 4th. I mean, today is 4th, I bit it. No, I don't know. Today is 3rd. I'll be 4th. Today is 4th. Yeah. Wait, Monday is 7. Saturday, Sunday 6. Saturday 5. Okay, today is 4. The 4th. February 4th. February 4th. This vlog is not going to be long today. I'll just cook. After I finish cooking, then I'll end it. I think maybe if Abigail comes back, I still have time. You guys haven't seen Abigail for some time now. Maybe I'll try to make sure she's in the vlog, okay, so that you guys can see her. I don't know, for no reason, I'll just be lazy to vlog. I don't know. But I've been making a video, like cook with me video, but vlogging, because in the morning, it's so cold in the morning, holding my camera, I don't just feel like vlogging in the morning. Okay, let me have some crayfish. The crayfish Mama Sita gave to me. You know what I did, guys? I soaked the crayfish, I washed the crayfish, okay? After washing it, I dried it in the sun and in the oven. Look at it, guys. See the color have changed. I make sure I soak the crayfish overnight. Then the next morning, I just rinse it very well. Then I dry it in the sun. Then it wasn't that dry, but I came back and put it inside the oven so that the oven would dry it more better. Now it's so dried. It's well clean. As you can see, I'm just going to add some to my okay, let's blend. Not done. It's done. Okay. It's done. Now let's proceed. Okay, I'm just gonna pour my blended pepper inside the beans. Okay, this is the way I like making my beans. I don't fry. Some people they do fry the pepper before they use it, but I don't fry mine. I just pour it inside. So everybody have their own way of cooking. Okay, the important thing is that your food tastes good. That is the most important thing. You cook it right, it tastes good, kids love it, hubby love it. That's all that matters. And I like my beans to be well cooked and soft, like very soft. Okay, I'm I'm just going to allow it to cook for some time before I'll add my oil. I want to use this opportunity to say a shout out to Sister Vivian TV. Vivian TV, if you are coming back from Nigeria, make sure you bring a lot of goodies. Bring a lot of goodies. So for us, we your family friends, your whitey friends, we are all waiting for those Africa goodies. We are waiting for those Africa goodies. Okay, guys, I'm back again. Let's check. I don't know if you guys can see inside, but just be patient, okay? I will show it to you guys when I'm done. Okay? Adding my palm oil. I'm gonna add my seasoning. Here's a beef seasoning. Where's my salt? Let me go get salt. Salt. We must add salt to salt. Stir. Comment down below. What do you like using your beans to eat? You like your beans with yam, plantain, dodo, or with bread? Perfect. I have some frozen meat. I'm going to be adding some frozen meat that I have. Leftover meat. I like to add meat inside my beans. I have some frozen leftover meat. I'm just going to throw them inside, let them cook together. And fish also, I have fish. Okay, see, sometimes you save meat for rainy days. Like this. So far so good. Okay, let me show a little bit to you guys before. Look at you guys. There's my beans. Okay guys, while the beans is still cooking, it's almost done. Let me quickly peel my plantain. I've already washed the plantain. Now let me quickly peel the plantain. gosto de ser. Ainda se Jesus meu, você nem sabe, era para mamãe meu. Ainda se Jesus, ainda do meu renagbo. As of the day, ainda se Jesus meu. Yes. Let me sing for you guys. I have a sweet voice. My voice is so sweet. Abby, if you agree, say yes. You like my voice? You like my voice? I will say, ain't I see Jesus meu? Você já nem sabe, era para mamãe meu. Ainda se Jesus say, ainda do meu era bom. And that moment feel weary and okay guys, I'm done cooking, and Abigail is back. Look at her. She's back.
Guys, guess what?
And she's back. I'm done cooking with the beans and the plantain.
Guys, guess what?
What?
I just went on my channel right now and I saw my video hit 1.9k views. I'm so happy.
1,900 views.
Yeah.
On her short, she made a spaghetti video, like a cooking video. She wasn't on last week.
Yeah. No, this week.
This week, yeah. Wasn't on Tuesday or so.
It was yesterday.
Not yesterday. Is it yesterday we ate spaghetti? No.
Yeah.
Day before yesterday. She made a spaghetti and she made a short video about it. 1,900 views, and she's so happy. What are you doing right now? Appreciation video. Oh my god.
I mean, some people did it.
Guys, if you don't have Abigail, go and subscribe to Abigail's Space. Go support her, okay?
Like 72 people.
Abigail's Space.
Up, and like 30.
You guys go subscribe to Abigail's Space, okay? She posts short video over there, okay? Not that much, but a short video, okay? Go and support her, Abigail's Space, okay? Now the food is ready. It's time for me to go and eat. I think I want to end the video right here. What is the time after?
3:54.
3:54. Yeah, there's nothing else to do.
Back from school.
Yeah, nothing else to do. Nothing else to do. Let me just end the vlog today. Thank you so much everyone for watching our video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. Let me go and eat my dodo. And you're hungry? Yeah, come on take some. Say bye today.
Bye guys. Go look at my appreciation video that I'm doing right now. Bye.
Tell you to subscribe now, you know.
Well, subscribe
to Abigail's Space. Bye. Bye guys. This is the beans and this is the plantain. This is dodo. Dodo and beans. Dinner is ready. Bye everyone.